Right now, the most expensive misunderstanding in modern business is the belief that a perfectly generated dashboard is the same thing as perfect business control. Modern AI tools possess the immediate power to ingest massive volumes of raw accounting data and organize them instantly. There is a sense of relief when that chaotic data is suddenly structured into a beautifully formatted profit and loss statement. However, this often leads to a dangerous assumption that the system which built the chart also possesses the judgment required to interpret it. The AI does not have that judgment. It functions only as a mechanical compiler of points. The dashboard you see is a surface, providing a representation of the business rather than the underlying reality itself. If you cannot read the gaps between these metrics, the AI is simply feeding you beautifully formatted danger. The traditional skill of manually compiling a balance sheet or wrangling cash flow statements has become obsolete. The machine handles those tasks now, mapping out the accounts, summarizing trailing 12-month data, and calculating decimal variances, creating an environment that feels certain and mathematically absolute. But that mechanical certainty cannot diagnose the root cause behind a numerical shift. It cannot distinguish between a variance caused by a harmless timing issue and one caused by a failing strategy. High-precision data is uniquely capable of masking flaws in a business model because the numbers themselves are technically correct. A dashboard of precise, isolated metrics provides a clear view of the surface, while leaving the underlying health of the business unexamined. It is easy to be lulled into a false sense of security by green conditional formatting on a KPI dashboard. You might see a chart showing climbing revenue, a trend the AI presents as a clear victory. This chart shows month-over-month revenue growth, which the system flags as a massive win. But verifying that win requires looking beneath the revenue metric. The AI ignores the structural reality of when money actually arrives. Critical answers are found in the cash flow statement. Focusing on an isolated revenue metric without cross-referencing its impact on cash is how profitable companies run out of money. Consider a business where technical income is rising, but actual cash from operations is bleeding out. Clients take 90 days to pay invoices. On this latter, revenue is booked today, but cash arrives 3 months later. That gap creates physical consequences. The cumulative effect of delayed payments drains reserves. Eventually, cash hits zero, creating a crisis despite record-high revenue. The AI misses this threat because it is programmed to plot data points, not to understand the physical friction of payment delays. Without that cash, you cannot buy inventory or make payroll, turning success into an operational freeze. An operator must translate these digital data points back into the physical realities of time and cash they represent. Financial reports are not abstract numbers to be worshipped. They are tools for interrogation. Think of your business as 3 interconnected layers of reality. To understand the truth, you must look through all 3 at once. The profit and loss statement tells you if the engine runs efficiently on paper. The balance sheet shows whether those paper profits translate into meaningful equity. And the cash flow statement provides the reality check, tracking the oxygen flowing through the business. While AI optimizes each layer in isolation, the operator's job is to see the whole system. Real control exists in the space between these 3 layers, where paper theory meets physical survival. Modern operators do not sit at their desks to blindly admire the output of an AI. They sit there to inspect it and to challenge the assumptions the machine has made. The dashboard functions as a high-resolution targeting tool, isolating the specific moments where human judgment is required. It exposes the hidden areas where human intuition and strategy are desperately needed to prevent the entire business from completely stalling. We are going to break down how to use these control surfaces properly. We will build a framework for spotting risks that AI naturally misses and identifying fake clarity on site. This decision framework converts auto-generated data into a precise operational grip on the business. Every day, an operator faces a constant stream of ledger entries, invoices, and transaction logs that must be organized before they can be understood. Artificial intelligence handles this volume by applying rigid, predefined mathematical rules to every incoming data point. It takes the raw inputs from your accounting software and faithfully maps them to a condensed profit and loss statement. The system groups the data into 3 primary categories: cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and other income. Categorizing these transactions manually could take an analyst days. The AI completes the task in the time it takes to refresh a browser. The speed and neatness of this output creates a sense of reliability for the person behind the desk. But this process is a mathematical translation. It is not a business analysis. While the dashboard is organized, it can lead an operator to assume total operational awareness when they only have a tidy set of groupings. The software provides immediate views of your financial health, ranging from year-to-date totals to trailing 12-month summaries. You can switch between these different timeframes with a single click, seeing how the numbers shift month to month. The interface draws a dotted line where your actual historical data ends and your future projections begin. Comparing actuals to projections shows how much of a grip the leadership team has on business reality versus expectations. The critical moment occurs when the actual data crosses that dotted line and begins to drift away from the path you projected. When reality and the projection diverge, the AI's ability to translate the data reaches its limit. The dashboard can show you that the numbers have changed, but it cannot explain why the business is failing to meet its targets. This gap in explanation is most visible in the Budget versus Actuals report, the primary document used to update a board of directors. This report measures how well the company's performance aligns with the plans the leadership team set in place. The AI calculates the exact variance between the budget and the actual spend in a fraction of a second. It will report, for example, that you missed the budget by exactly $50,000. To the machine, that $50,000 is just a negative integer, a mathematical output without context. To the human operator, that number is the start of an investigation. You have to find the story behind the variance. It could be a simple timing issue, where an invoice was paid a month late. It might be a lapse in strategic judgment during the planning phase, or it could be as mundane as a clerical error in a spreadsheet. The AI doesn't know, and it doesn't care. It only plots the difference. The operator must provide the narrative for why reality differed from the expectation. The more detail you provide, the more confidence you build in your control over the business. Relying blindly on automated variance calculations can actually mislead you because the math doesn't always reflect the business outcome. Consider a scenario where your cost of goods sold comes in lower than what you budgeted. In this case, spending less money to produce your product is a positive result, but the AI simply subtracts the actual from the budget and divides. Because the result is a negative percentage, the dashboard might trigger a red flag, signaling a problem where there is actually a win. The AI doesn't inherently understand the difference between an expense account and an income account. To fix this, a human has to explicitly design the business logic into the system. You have to flip the sign for expense accounts so that when you spend less, the variance shows up as a positive indicator. Without this intervention, the automated system becomes a liability rather than a tool. If you trust the automated calculation without checking the logic, you might panic over a major success or celebrate a loss. The dashboard is designed to surface discrepancies. It is not designed to generate insights. This becomes clear with year-over-year comparisons. The AI effortlessly compares your current quarter to the same period from the previous year. It calculates the mathematical delta between the 2 years with perfect accuracy. What it cannot tell you is if that growth is sustainable. Business viability is often dictated by the macroeconomic environment, factors like market shifts or inflation. If the environment has shifted since last year, the AI's comparison is no longer relevant. The growth it shows might be a fluke of a market that no longer exists. At the operator desk, the worker's primary function changes. You aren't there to verify the machine's math. The machine is built to be accurate. Your role is to act as the filter for context. You verify the relevance of the output by inspecting how the raw data was mapped in the first place. You have to ask the qualitative questions that the machine cannot formulate. The AI can give you the precise coordinates of an anomaly, but it cannot tell you how much that anomaly matters. It is up to the operator to decide if a variance is a minor data glitch or a catastrophic warning sign. Control of the business doesn't come from the data itself. It comes from the human interrogation of what that data actually represents.
The modern executive often equates beautifully formatted software with operational safety. We generate massive, polished visual charts detailing our financial health, but these often lack the necessary filter of human judgment. This creates fake clarity, the presentation of automated data without friction or contextual doubt. It is easy to view a dashboard's output as a guaranteed reality rather than a conditional hypothesis. The risk increases when management teams treat these visualizations as a final, unquestionable truth. By treating the dashboard as a finished product, executives outsource their strategic skepticism to an algorithm. Failing to pressure test the algorithmic assumptions serving these visuals is a primary driver of sudden company collapse. Consider the high-stakes scenario of monitoring a business's projected cash-out date. This projection chart tracks the survival timeline. The AI updates the projection daily by averaging current burn rates and incoming revenue. The machine assumes future cash flow will perfectly mirror historical averages. In reality, business survival rarely follows a linear path. If a major client contract is up for renewal next month but is unlikely to be signed, the AI remains unaware of that human variable. The operator must manually reject the AI's optimistic historical assumption to account for the impending loss. Human judgment reveals a cash flow crisis by February, while the machine continues to project survival until May. A founder who trusts the initial dashboard is caught off guard when the runway suddenly vanishes. This lack of preparation limits management options, often forcing the company into an emergency fundraising round. With no time left to negotiate or cut costs, these raises often happen at unfavorable valuations. Algorithms project survival based on data consistency, but human judgment is required to navigate binary, non-historical threats. A second vital pressure test involves analyzing margins against top-line revenue. A standard KPI dashboard shows monthly recurring revenue climbing. A pulsating green arrow signals growth. The AI uses this single metric to validate the company's current strategy. Monitoring only the top-line summary misses the decay underneath. Shifting to the margin dashboard reveals a different story. Customer acquisition costs rise as revenue grows. Simultaneously, server costs expand faster than revenue, making the model unsustainable. The AI won't proactively warn the operator about this divergence. It simply continues displaying a green arrow as long as revenue increases. The human operator must identify these conflicting data points to keep the company from growing its way into bankruptcy. This need for scrutiny applies to non-GAAP SaaS metrics like MRR and churn. These metrics require subjective interpretation to be meaningful. Incoming billing data arrives as a raw stream that must be categorized. Without oversight, an AI automatically tags all recurring transactions to maximize the top-line growth metric. The algorithm cannot distinguish human intent from a billing anomaly. It groups a loyal subscriber with a customer who simply forgot to cancel a free trial. Operators must build a strict framework to separate these user profiles. Applying this framework forces accurate categorization. Real subscribers stay in MRR, while anomalies are diverted to churn. Skipping this step makes data unreliable for strategic planning. Unchecked AI categorization produces a dashboard that is a mathematically perfect work of fiction. The modern executive's core responsibility is the pressure test. Fake clarity remains the primary enemy of the operator. Conditional formatting, the use of authoritative colors, creates a false sense of absolute control. We must interrogate the hidden spreadsheet mapping that dictates how this raw data is grouped. If the logic within that mapping is flawed, the errors propagate throughout the entire system. An AI projecting from flawed mapping amplifies human mistakes at high speed. This leads to critical strategic decisions based on automated lies. When an executive sits in a meeting and a polished chart is presented, their instinct should be skepticism. This visual clarity requires high-speed scrutiny. You must suppress the instinct to passively accept the chart's final conclusion. Instead, begin mentally breaking down and stress testing the individual data points that formed the visualization. An operator provides value by proving the dashboard wrong before reality does it for them. The single most dangerous thing you can ever see on an automated reporting dashboard is a perfectly green screen. You open your monthly report and check the budget versus actuals. Every single line item aligns. The variance across the board is consistently zero. That zero does not mean your operation is executing flawlessly. It means your dashboard is acting as an anesthetic. This usually hides one of two operational diseases. First, your initial forecasting is so wide and imprecise that your team can hit their numbers without actually executing well. Second, and far more common, your team is simply rewriting the budget retroactively, so it perfectly aligns with what actually happened. A healthy control surface looks like a battlefield. It should be covered in red ink, missed expectations, and weird, unexpected overperformances. That constant friction is how you know the system is actually capturing reality. If your automated reporting looks flawless, it is actively hiding a massive operational blind spot. The raw data guarantees nothing until you ruthlessly interrogate it. Once you look past the flat variances, you run into the next major warning sign of a failing framework: absolute isolation. Artificial intelligence naturally defaults to stripping away context. It takes complex operational data and packages it into frictionless, standalone widgets that look great on a screen. This chart shows a classic example: a beautifully isolated KPI box highlighting a massive, uncontextualized spike in top-line sales. An operator refuses to accept any single metric without immediately hunting down its counterbalance. That soaring sales line means absolutely nothing if it is chained to an equally massive spike in accounts receivable. If you aren't actually collecting the cash from those sales, your growth is an illusion. No number exists in a vacuum. If you rely entirely on isolated AI widgets, you will miss the fatal friction points happening in the blank space between them. You must constantly cross-reference the digital paperwork against the physical reality of the business. The paper reality lives in your profit and loss statement. It is a theoretical, idealized view of how your business is performing, and it is exactly the kind of document an AI can instantly optimize. This split-screen comparison shows all the complex, multi-layered accounting flow of the P&L on the left, funneling down to the brutal, undeniable truth on the right, the actual physical money sitting in your bank account. When you sit down at the operator desk, your objective is never to maximize the volume of data you consume. Your objective is to maximize the volume of truth you extract. You extract that truth by physically digging into the spreadsheet. You question the underlying logic of the driver tabs, and you hunt down the operational narrative behind every single variance. Every automated projection the machine spits out is a hypothesis. It is a guess that you must actively prove or disprove using your own awareness of what is happening on the ground. Your intuition, forged by years of dealing with real-world friction, is the ultimate and irreplaceable safeguard against algorithmic complacency. Dashboards do not replace your judgment. They merely expose the specific areas that your judgment must inspect. The machine is the high-speed scout. You are the general. The scout has unmatched speed. It can assemble charts and pull accounting data, and instantly calculate the deltas across 50 different custom time periods. But it cannot understand the visceral reality of your market. It does not know your team's execution limits, and it has no concept of the fragile relationships you hold with your core customers. If you treat the AI as the final authority, it will silently steer your business off a cliff with perfectly formatted charts. But if you deploy it as a high-speed diagnostic tool, you maintain an unshakable grip on the reality of your operation. Thank you for joining us at the desk today. If you want to continue dismantling these automated frameworks, exposing the invisible risks, and building the operational skills you need to thrive, make sure to subscribe to the channel.